Don't translate in your head. That's not advice. That's a command to your brain. And your brain doesn't take commands. You can't tell your heart to stop beating. You can't tell your eyes to stop blinking. You can't tell your brain to stop translating. It just does it. So what do? Stop commanding. Start training. Hear the same sentence, same situation, again and again. Your brain figures it out. One day, no translation. Not because you told it to stop, because it didn't need to anymore. Training needs material, real situations, real sentences. Today, airport check-in. You don't just listen, you respond. That's the other half. Let's train both. First, just the questions. Listen, then repeat.
Can I see your passport?
Can I see your passport? Can I see your passport?
Where are you flying today?
Where are you flying today? Where are you flying today?
How many bags are you checking?
How many bags are you checking? How many bags are you checking?
Did you pack these bags yourself?
Did you pack these bags yourself? Did you pack these bags yourself?
Has anyone given you anything to carry?
Has anyone given you anything to carry? Has anyone given you anything to carry?
Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Would you like a window or aisle seat? Would you like a window or aisle seat?
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10.
Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10.
You just heard the questions. You repeated them. That's not memorizing. That's your mouth learning the shape of the words. Now, hear the full scene. Full conversation now. Just listen.
Can I see your passport? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. Where are you flying today? To New York. To New York. How many bags are you checking? Just one. Just one. Did you pack these bags yourself? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Has anyone given you anything to carry? No. No. Would you like a window or aisle seat? Aisle, please. Aisle, please. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10. Thank you. Thank you.
One more thing. Maybe you're not flying to New York. Maybe one bag is wrong for you. That's fine. Don't fix the answer right now. Just respond. Any answer close enough? That's a win. We're not training perfect. We're training fast. Your turn. No thinking. Just respond.
Can I see your passport? Where are you flying today? How many bags are you checking? Did you pack these bags yourself? Has anyone given you anything to carry? Would you like a window or aisle seat? Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10.
One scene. That's all today. Not 10, not 20. One. Small enough to start, real enough to matter. Tomorrow, a different scene. And scenes connect. Check-in today. Immigration tomorrow. Each one makes the next one easier. Your brain is already learning. Not because you commanded it, because you showed it the same thing, again and again. That's how translation stops. Not by force, by habit. See you in the next scene.